Understanding Windows 7 and Documents folder structure. You may have Word 2013 as I do, or Word 2010 or 2007. In any case, documents, when you're creating Word documents or PowerPoint documents or Excel documents, are almost always stored in the Documents folder natively. They won't go off in some other location on your computer or a USB stick. They'll stick themselves in, and let's take a look where they go. If we double click on Computer and we look to the left here, don't pay any attention to the right, look at Documents, and we click on that, we can see a lot of folders here, yes, and those are because I've got too many programs running on my computer. But if we start to scroll down using our scroll wheel or on the mouse, or we drag the bar with our left mouse, we can see, there they are, a bunch of Word documents, some Christmas hymns from a church service. Those are the Word documents. You might have PowerPoint, you might have Excel, but this is where they all go. They go in the Documents library. Okay, now depending on how that appears, it may look a little strange. It may look like this. If you've got it displayed, and you can see where my mouse is up here, if you've got it displayed as large icons, it could look like that. Medium icons, it'll look like that. I think details is the best way to find and locate things. See how I click that? I went to details, and therefore I can scan down and find everything I'm looking for. Okay, just by alphabetical order. But we're going to learn how to do alphabetical order searching or navigating, and here's how we do it. By clicking the name, we can see that it went in reverse alphabetical order with the folders first, and then you'll see any documents that I've created are also in reverse. I don't have any Z documents, so it displayed winter as a W document. If I click once again name, it takes me back up to the top. Numbers come first, the letter A comes next, and then further down, letter A is part of the Word documents. So that's how we navigate, first of all, in the Documents library and Documents folder for Windows 7. Doesn't matter if you're using Microsoft Word 2013 or PowerPoint or what have you, all your documents are natively stored, usually, if Windows is set up properly, in this location. As you can see, it's hidden under Libraries. If you do not see the Documents folder, it's because it maybe Libraries is displaying like that, which was the way you might have left it last time you were playing with your computer. To see below Libraries, you see the little arrow. It creates a drop-down when I click on the arrow or the triangle that points to the right. And there it is. There's the Documents folder again. Okay, so that's navigating Windows 7 and the Documents folder and being able to sort in display either from alphabetical, which affects the folders, and it also affects everything else below the folders, which are the Word documents, PowerPoint documents, and Excel documents. You can also sort by date modified, which is the last date of the last document you worked on. So say you have 2 copies of Speech for John, you will have the last version that you did by clicking on Modified. And as you can see, it really messed up the alphabetical order because when I modified that document, it must have been at a later time, 2015 in this case. So the other thing that you can do is click on the word type, and we'll orchestrate and organize all the documents in your folder by type. So if I scroll down, you'll see that picture files are all together by type, and Word files are all together by type, and by default, they also organize themselves in alphabetical order, which is kind of handy. So I'm going to just scroll back up using either my mouse scroller or grabbing that bar with my left mouse. I'm going to click once again on name, and our Documents folder is once again sorted alphabetically.